My brothers and sisters, my name na Anthony, your anchor man for First Aid Immigrant Solution. In case if una never subscribe, abeg una go hit the subscribe button so that anytime wey I drop video, una will be the first person wey go get alert for una phone or any other gadget wey una take dey watch me. So wetin I wan talk today na about the final say wey concern this document matter. So who be the people wey go fit apply for this document? This document na two parts. I go first explain the last part first. So those people wey know say their permit of stay expire from on the 31st of October 2019 come, wey dem no fit convert am, dem no fit renew am because of say dem no get the requirement to renew their document. Dem talk say if dem don fit work for any of these three sector wey I wan mention, so dem don fit work for agriculture sector, dem don fit work for assisting people wey know say dem get one particular sickness or the other or limitation, or dem don fit help old people, or dem don fit work for any domestic work. Those people go come with that their old contract to dem go carry kit for post office. Dem go post am, fill am, post am with those their old contract. Then dem go pay €130 for the kit. So and €30 wey dem take submit the kit, and everything wey dem go call dem for, dem go call dem for Questora, for Sportello Unico. Dem go give dem 6 months permit of stay. So those 6 months permit of stay, before e expire, make sure say you go get work. Those one na first part of this document. While the second part of this document na those people wey know say dem get contract now for agriculture or zoonoteca, people wey work for zoo, or dem don dey do fishermen, or where dem for dey do fish, or where dem for dey do aquaculture, or anywhere wey dem know say dem for dey plant or harvest any crop or any agricultural product. Those people you go fit apply. Then people wey still get one particular pathology, you dey assist person wey get some particular sickness or wey get some particular limitation, wey no fit move, handicap, or all those old people, you dey assist people or person. Those one na second category. And the third category na people wey dey do domestic, or you dey assist family wey you know say maybe because of work dem no fit do every other thing wey dem suppose to do for concerning domestic. Those people go fit apply for those people wey no get document. Then who be the people, wetin be the requirement wey person wey wan give you this contract need to get? One, the person go be Italian, or the person go be any member of European Union, or the person go be foreigners. If the person na foreigner, e go make sure say e get long permit of stay wey no dey expire, wey dem dey call permesso di soggiorno lungo periodo UE, which means permit of stay, permanent permit of stay wey no dey expire. So if you get this one, now na one of the requirement. The another requirement wey the person need to get na the person, if e dey under agricultural sector wey dem dey call productive sector. If the person dey under agricultural sector, whether e dey do work for zoo, e dey do planting and harvesting, e dey do animal rearing and other thing, or aquaculture, the person suppose to get minimum for yearly income wey e go declare. Minimum na €30,000 wey the person need to get. While those people wey dey under domestic sector, or e dey assist person, the person need to get minimum of €20,000 for food wey go get if na single person. While if na family or nuclear family, you go get €27,000 for food or Reddit, or yearly income wey the person need to get. So if you get this 20,000 for single person, or 27,000 for nuclear person, you fit write contract for person. And another thing again wey the person wey you wan write this contract for, wey you still need to get before if you apply for this document, be say the person need to know say before on the 8th of March they don already get it on print for ground, or they don snap am picture wey dem dey snap, wey if dem wan give you document they'll snap you, they'll take your fingerprint before on the 8th of March 2020. If you no get am, you no fit apply for this document. Or you don already do something wey show say you dey here, like say you don do something with public or private publicity for here. Like if you take a transport now, you get transport ID card. If you dey my city now na TPER, if you get transport ID card wey be TPER, you are good to go. Or you get abonnement wey take dey enter train, or you get any clinical record wey you take go admission, or wey dem take call ambulance for you. That clinical record, if you show before on the 8th of March say you dey here, you fit apply. This one and etc. etc. Say if you still be tourist, you get anything wey take go, maybe like hotel and all those things, the receipt and all those things wey you pay. So anything wey you know say you get as a proof say you take dey here before on the 8th of March. So na be the requirement. Then another thing be say, where be the thing wey you know say you show say you fit apply for this document? After you don get all those things, they talk say the contract of work wey they wan do, wey they wan write for you now, whether lavoro subordinato, or you dey assist somebody, or any other contract wey they wan talk before on the 8th of March wey they will write now, you go apply online from the website. Go open from on the 1st of June, which is tomorrow, by 7 a.m. in the morning to 15th of July. They will stop am at about 10 p.m. in the midnight, where they call 22 o'clock if they use European time. And the website where they want use na Sportello Unico for immigration website, where they go put on tomorrow night. They will activate am, and you go see that Sportello for the website where I want to talk now. Now lulaosterlavoro.dlci.iteno.it. Now there they go put on, and the person wey wan give you, which is the dottore di lavoro, or the boss, or the person wey wan give you work, you need to get speed. Speed na credentials wey they still dey enter this information online. So, and the money wey the person go pay na 500 euro for each person wey wan write the contract for. So if you don pay the money, so that means you don already apply. So for every other procedure concerning this document matter, I go drop the link for the description below. If you no understand, you fit call me 3510123025. If you call me, then I go explain everything to you as the thing dey play. So a lot of people don already call me concerning this document. Wetin be the things wey they need to get if you know say you wan apply this for this document? That one na another thing. If you no get passport, you wey you wan apply for this document, you need to get any other equivalent document wey show say you come from that country. Like nationality is the easiest thing to get, because passport dey take time. Nationality na be the easiest thing to get. So, and you get your nationality, and you make sure say you dey on ground before that on the 8th of March, as I first talk before. Then you know say you still dey work for this activity wey I indicate na 3: domestic, or you dey help person wey dey in difficulties, or you dey work for agricolo, which is agriculture. If you get all these things for ground, if you know say you first get document before e expire on the 31st of October, where I first talk just now, 2019, those people go fit apply for those one wey be 130, wey they'll pay 130 for the money to apply. While those people wey know say that they want apply as a fresher, when those people pay 500. So now 2 documents, now 2 payment. One na 130, one na 500. The one of 130, you carry kit for poster, you go Questura. I know if you don't carry kit, you post am for post office, then they'll invite you for Questura. So that one every money will come to 160 where I first talk for my previous video. So in case if you don't understand, see come this my channel First Aid Immigrant Solution. Now here for the NACA and for the tell everybody the truth concerning this document matter. So don't forget to subscribe and hit your like button. If you like this video, share it to your friends. Thank you very much. Bye bye.